Today are solar, wind, ocean, nuclear and biomass. In this presentation we will talk about ocean energy. Ocean energy describes energy derived from the waves, tides or the thermal difference between the top surface and the deep depth of the ocean. The movement of water creates a lot of kinetic energy which can be used to produce mechanical energy, which further can be converted into electrical energy. Ocean produces two types of energy, which is thermal energy from the temperature differences and the kinetic energy of the waves and the tides. Now, energy sources of ocean energy are waves, tidal and ocean thermal energy. Ocean wave energy. So we will start, how does waves generate? Since Earth is heated by sun, it is not equally heated at every place. So differential heating of atmosphere creates winds, and these winds, when blew over the surface of ocean, transfer their energy to the waves, and this creates waves. Now the amount of energy transferred and the size of wave depends on four things. First of all, the wind speed. Second, the length of time to which the wind blows. And second and third is the distance over which the wind blows. And fourth, the depth of ocean water. In shallow regions, the energy in the waves reduces. Now to harness wave energy, we install devices which depend on three conditions. First of all, at the shoreline. Second, near the shoreline. And third is offshore. And the device which is used in this harnessing is oscillating water column. Now, oscillating water column is a structure which is partially submerged into the ocean, and it has a chamber in which one end is open to the ocean water and top half is empty for the air. This is the oscillating water column. This end is open for the ocean, and this column has this much space for the air. Here we have a turbine which is a waves turbine. When incoming waves, when the waves come inside, the air is compressed and the air flows through the turbine, which is further connected to generator, generating electricity. And when the wave recedes, there is a vacuum created in the chamber, which again rotates this turbine and which also produces energy. Now, oscillating water column turbine. In oscillating water column, there is a special type of turbine which is Wales turbine. Actually, the normal turbines which we use in normal conditions works on when the velocity of flow is constant and the direction of flow is only in one direction. But in oscillating column, we need a turbine which can work on varying velocity of the waves, and the direction of air can be in both sides. So two types of turbines are used. One is LINPET, that is land installed marine powered energy transformer, and second is waves energy system. LINPET is designed by Raytheon and wave energy system is designed by Energetex. Now LINPET. This is currently used in Scotland. Now, this is the structure of LINPET, land installed marine powered energy transformer. Now, in Wales turbine, which I have told you earlier, rotates in both the directions. Now, in LINPET, the collector is the overall structure of the oscillating column, is treated in such a way that more and more of the waves can come in the column. The collector is divided into three chambers, each having half of the parts which can be filled with air. And these Wales turbines are further connected with a 250 kilowatt induction generator which is used to generate electricity. The second one is Energetex waves energy system. Now this system is different from LINPET in terms of the turbine. In this there is Danish Volt turbine which is more efficient than the Wales turbine. And in this type of system, the overall system is controlled by computer. we use a sensor system which, when the wave approaches the system, it can calculate the pressure exerted on the ocean floor by the wave, and then it can send equal amount of signals to the system which can set the parameters according to the pressure exerted by the ocean wave. The second type of ocean energy resource is tidal energy. Now tides are created by the attraction of sun and moon. Basically, moon have more emphasis on tides because moon is more closer to the earth, and now since moon is more closer to the earth, when any of the side faces to the moon in the night, these molecules have a tendency to attract towards the moon, and this generates tides. Now, energy extraction from tidal movement. This is the arrangement of tidal energy system. In this, we have basin, and this side is open to the ocean. This is the barrage, and this is the turbine. Now, when the tides approaches, we open the gate of this side and allow the water to flow into the basin, which increases the level of basin, moving the turbine, which generates electricity. And when the tides recedes, we again open the gates, which allows the water to flow from the basin to the ocean, again moving the turbine. This is further connected to an industrial generator and generates electricity. The third one is ocean thermal energy. Now, the ocean are the largest collectors of heat in the world. Since 75% of the earth is surrounded by water bodies, the oceans are estimated to absorb.